Good morning, everybody. This is Mark from Family Kitchen and Crafts. Today, we're going to be showing you how we made this sausage scramble. What we did was we ordered a whole pig. Here, it comes just like this. Let me show you this. See, this isn't that store-bought stuff. This is fresh from the farm. This stuff right here, there's no additives, there's no funny business in this stuff. We took one of those and we cut it in half. We put it in over here and we fried it. I put a little bit of olive oil in there. And I fried it up. See, we even got bacon. Here's some bacon right here. I'm thawing that out now. We fried it up, and while I was frying, I took 3 eggs and I broke them up and I put them in a bowl, and I put some heavy, half and half in there. You can use milk or heavy whipping cream, whatever you want. And I fried them up. While that was cooking, you can add spices or whatever you want to it, even some cheese. Right here, here's the finished product. You can see there's not really hardly any grease at all. I didn't even have to drain any grease out of this. That's how good this meat is. So after I cooked the meat, what I did was I scrambled these eggs up and I added them into the frying pan here. And then I took my spatula and I worked everything in there. I didn't add no seasonings or anything because the kids sometimes they're fussy about what I put in their food. So, if they want to put seasonings or anything on, they can add their own stuff or put cheese on top or whatever they want to do. So that's how I like to cook, to make sure everybody's happy with their food. And then I mixed it all up, and then I put it on a plate, and we enjoyed it. You can make it, you can use toast, you can use pretty much any side you want to go with it. And it's a good, healthy meal. Especially, this time of the year, people are thinking about, maybe going on a diet. I know I said that swear word, diet. But now is the time to start. If you want to get healthy, start eating better now. That way you can work your way into it. You'll start a short exercise routine. Drink lots of water. You can have coffee. I drink a couple cups of coffee during the day. I like coffee. Coffee's my thing. So check out our website, familykitchenandcrafts.com. Thanks for watching. Check